Have you ever felt like there's a giant, unmovable obstacle standing right in the middle of your path? Something that just won't budge, no matter how hard you push against it. I think we've all been there. It's frustrating, it's exhausting, and it can make you feel completely stuck. Today, I want to share a simple, powerful story that changed the way I look at these obstacles forever. It's the story of the river and the stone. Imagine a young, powerful river rushing down from the mountains. It was full of energy, ambition, and a clear sense of direction. Its goal was simple, to reach the vast open sea. But one day, as it carved its path through a valley, it came across something it had never encountered before: huge, stubborn stone, planted firmly in its way. The river was furious. "Get out of my way," it roared, crashing against the stone with all its might. It churned and foamed, sending waves of water smashing against the unyielding surface. The stone just sat there, silent and solid. Days turned into weeks, weeks into months, and months into years. The river never stopped its assault. It tried to push the stone, to wear it down, to find a way to break it apart. It spent all its energy fighting this one single obstacle. It saw the stone as its enemy, the sole reason it couldn't continue its journey smoothly. The river shouted, "You are ruining my life. Because of you, I'm trapped here. I'll never reach the sea." But the stone remained silent, absorbing the river's fury without complaint. This battle went on for what felt like an eternity. The river grew tired, its initial rage slowly simmering down into a deep, weary frustration. It had tried everything it could think of, but the stone was still there. Defeated, the river started to notice something strange. As its rage subsided, its waters became clearer. The constant crashing and splashing began to soften. Instead of fighting, the water started to flow around the stone. It split into two gentle streams, hugging the stone's sides before rejoining on the other side. Over countless seasons, something magical began to happen. The river, which had once been a single angry torrent, had become something more complex, more interesting. The constant flow of water began to polish the stone, smoothing its rough edges until it shone like a gem in the sunlight. Mosses and ferns started to grow in the quiet pools that formed in the stone's shadow. The river's path, once a straight, angry line, now curved gracefully. Little waterfalls and gentle eddies appeared where there was once only chaos. The sound of the river changed to the angry roar was replaced by a gentle, musical murmur, soothing song that echoed through the valley. The river had become a place of beauty. Animals came to drink from its calm pools. Birds nested in the trees along its newly curved banks. The valley, once just a passageway, became a vibrant ecosystem, all because of the collaboration between the river and the stone. One day, the river, now wise and calm, looked back at the stone. It realized the stone was never its enemy. It wasn't an obstacle meant to stop its journey. It was a guide. It was the artist that had sculpted the river's character. Without the stone, the river would have just been a straight, boring channel of water rushing to the sea. But the stone forced it to change, to adapt, to become more than it ever thought it could be. The stone gave the river its depth, its curves, its music, and its beauty. It taught the river patience, resilience, and the art of flowing with life instead of fighting against it. This story is a powerful reminder for all of us. Those challenges in our lives, the difficult project at work, the unexpected setback. The person we just cut on seem to get along with, we often see them as giant stones blocking our path. We spend so much energy pushing, fighting, and getting angry, wishing they would just disappear. But what if we tried to see them differently? What if these obstacles aren't enemies, but are actually the artists that are shaping our journey? Think about it. The toughest challenges are often the ones that teach us the most. They force us to be more creative, more patient, and more resilient. They help us discover strengths we never knew we had. They carve new paths for us, leading to unexpected and beautiful destinations. That failure might be teaching you humility. That difficult person might be teaching you empathy. That period of waiting might be teaching you patience. So, the next time you face a stone in your river, take a deep breath. Instead of crashing against it with all your might, pause for a moment. Ask yourself, what is this obstacle here to teach me? How can I flow around it, work with it, and let it shape me into something more beautiful and resilient? Obstacles are not there to stop you. They are there to sculpt you. They are the artists that create the masterpiece that is your life's journey. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope this story gives you a new perspective on the challenges you're facing. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss our next story. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. What essay stone in your life that ended up shaping you for the better? Until next time, keep flowing.